What's going on, everyone? Gilman with the Wellthy Stocks, back with another Tesla update video where we'll take a look at how Tesla stock traded today, some key support and resistance levels that we have coming up, and based on that, what we think Tesla stock can do in the future. So real quick, if you enjoy videos like this, hit that like button down below, subscribe to my channel if you are new, and comment down below what your thoughts on Tesla are, and I'd love to chat with you guys down there. So let me hit record. We will get right into it. So great day for Tesla, crazy day overall. As you guys know, the Democrats took the Senate, which actually wasn't as bad for the market as everyone had anticipated, right? Big tech did take a fall. So we're talking Apple, Amazon. Those companies did see a red day due to potential increased regulations, but other companies and the overall indexes were fine, right? So Tesla was up $20.87 on the day, which was about 2.84%, up another $5 after hours. If we take a look at NASDAQ, we see a little bit of red. If we take a look at the Dow, it was up 400 points, 437 points, 1.44%. And the S&P was up $2.22, which is 0.6% as well. So compared to all of that, right, Tesla was up really nicely. A lot of that was because of the $810 price target that we got from Morgan Stanley, which is the street high, $810 after strong Q4 deliveries, which, if you guys saw my video yesterday, really helped the stock in the after hours as well. And it was doing pretty well. And I'm sure you guys know this, but the overall market was doing really well today, including Tesla, right? Even if you take a look at Apple, which is another stock that I covered, even though it opened down and gapped down and pushed down, it was really recovering, right? Similar to Tesla, except Tesla wasn't down, but it was really pushing. And then what we got was, in the second half of the day, we got some news about Washington and what was going down at Capitol Hill, which caused a big sell-off in the market. So what we see is right out of the gate, Tesla pushed down just a little bit, which makes sense because if you take a look at where we closed yesterday, where we closed near the 730s, got a price upgrade after hours, pushed up. We're talking 760s, dropped, but found support in the 749 level, pushed up, broke VWAP, and then kept going up, right? And then as you could see, between 11:28 and 14, so for a couple hours there, it was between 768 and 774. So it was trading in this really narrow range, but it was trading pretty up there, right? And then what we got was a decent sell-off from 774 all the way down. And what we'll see here is we bounced at the same level as before. And then we kind of pushed up to close and up a little after hours. So let's take a look at support and resistance and what we see. And we'll kind of base it on there. So first things first, let's take a look and see what our support level is if we push down. I'm actually going to move this line up just a little bit based on where we found support twice today. 744 still could hold up, but I think 749 is the first level that I'm personally watching right now. So on the downside, what we have is the 749, basically call it 750. If we do push down, I think that that's our first level of support. And then if we keep going, then 732 is our next level that I'm watching out for. But with that being said, there are some other key indicators that I look at as well, which are our EMAs. So the AEMA, let me get rid of the drawings here for a second, is something that I'm watching the stock above. In this massive run that it's had since November, it's never really closed below the AEMA other than this one time here. So watching that to happen, but that shouldn't be too difficult for the stock unless it crashes for whatever reason, which I don't think is happening. That AEMA is at $709, right? So I want to see the stock close above that, but as I said, we've got a long way to go. And then on the 4-hour chart, if we take a look at the moving averages, the 20-day moving average I think should also hold up as really good support, which is at 732. Then we've got the 50 and the 682. So 732 is another level that I'm watching, but if we go back to my drawings here, 732, remember that number. What we'll see is that really nicely currently coincides with our moving average right now. So I think 732 should be a really strong level of support unless we see a sell-off, right? So what I could see happening is a little bit of a pullback potentially either to this 749, but depending on where we open tomorrow, 749 could be, a $7-10 drop. So if we keep falling off, then I could see us going all the way to 732, about a $20 or so drop before kind of rebounding and starting to push back up or maybe consolidating for a little bit. But if we don't stop at 732, then the next level of support I have is 717 before the 700 support level. So those are what I'm looking at from the support level. Now, if we continue to stay strong, we could bounce off of the 749, push up. 774 is the all-time high that we set today that I will be looking for the stock to break. Now, with the Democrats and House, Senate, and the presidency, this could be great news for Tesla and other renewable energy companies, right? And other kind of renewable energy, electric cars, right? Anything of that sort, because we could see some kind of legislation or subsidies around these, or Clean Air Acts, stuff like that, which could be really beneficial for these companies, as they could get a boost from them or a subsidy for people that buy it. So I think that, I thought it was going to be bad news for the market. I'll be the first to say I was wrong. It wasn't just me though, right? But I think that, this is great news for Tesla, great news for other EV companies as well moving forward, as they have the majority there. So that's what I'm looking out for. 749 to hold, if not then 732s and 717s. Keep in mind, we have gone up a lot in a very short amount of time. If you take a look at 1230, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In 5 days, we've gone from kind of the 660s to the 760s almost. So a little bit of a pullback is not a bad thing to have. But that being said, if it stays strong, we could be making another all-time high here in a couple days or even tomorrow. So hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, drop a like, subscribe to my channel if you are new, and comment down below what your thoughts on Tesla are, and I'd love to chat with you guys down there. Let's remember to be a bit better every single day, and until next time.